Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how does Temu coupon bundle work. So basically right here we have a couple of items that are on sale. So how does the Temu coupon bundle work? It's precisely what it meant. So it's gonna bundle a couple of items basically, and then you can use a certain voucher to bundle them together to get a bigger discount. So here you can actually use one right here. It's called AC 847220 in the coupon. So that's the coupon that we're gonna use, or you can use ECR 776187 in your Temu coupon bundle. So basically you will just have to select multiple items right here and it will use it as a bundle. Then you can actually try to use it. So the first thing you'll have to do is check for compatibility, of course, use code separately sometimes, and review the terms, of course. So where to find the latest ones? The most up-to-date ones are this, as you can see. And you can also sign up for Temu's newsletter so you can get new bundles of coupons daily. So sometimes not daily, more like weekly. So there you go guys. Basically that's how the Temu coupon bundle works.